Hi, Matt Watson here from Carwow. So I'm sitting at the back of a Mercedes AMG E63S because in this video I'm going to give you a roundup of the very best launches ever on Carwow, because I don't care whether it's a fast car, slow car, a normal car, a boring car or an exciting car, I will launch it, guaranteed. So let's get on with the video and launch some cars. Whoa, no, don't launch this because you'll launch straight into blooming fence. Oh, that was close. Now, if you enjoyed these videos, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. Anyway, let's get and launch some cars, but do it at a safe location, all right?
Buying a new car? Then head to Carwow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. Carwow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
Blimey. Your 16, 2.23. That's quick. That's very quick. Oh! And that's 60. Oh, blimey. That's it. Here we go. Oh. Launched straight to a puddle, but that didn't matter. My God, this is quick. Way, squirrely under braking. Oh no! Yeah, it's fast. Oh my God, this is fast! Oh, that's a standing quarter. Woohoo! That definitely felt fast. That's it. That's it. Keep going, mother. Keep going. That's it. That's good. Oh, oh, here we go. Oh, oh yes. And that was well past 60 miles an hour. Wow, that hooked up really well for a rear wheel drive car only. Wow, 3.66 to 60. Let's stay on for the quarter mile. 11.62. Those are some good times. Oh my goodness. Done. What time did it do? That is utterly insane. Then let go of the brake. My gosh. There we go, and let go of the brake. Blimey. Let's measure it to 60. That totally shot my cameraman, didn't it? Off we go. Oh, struggle with traction. Blimey, and there, in second and third. This thing is just flying. My God. Oh. Oh, struggling for traction. But then we are on ice. Oh my God. It's just all over the place. Whoa. This is insane. That's it. Brake, brake, brake. God damn it, brake, brake, brake. Ah, I didn't think it was going to stop. Little boost. Off we go. Bit of tyre spin there. Christ. Hell. That is insane. Ah! Oh, this is mad. And well done for keeping the camera kind of steady. Oh, struggles for grip, you know. 0 to 60, 2.99 seconds, what's the standing quarter mile? 10.9 9.4. That's 60. That was 60 like that. Here we are. Oh, it's on it now. That's good. Woohoo! 3.13 to 60. Blimey. Crikey. It's nuts. Whoa, the gear changes hard. It's a pretty good start, that is. Feels strong. What's he going to put in? Come on. Give me a good time. I think this launch is going to be brutal. Let's do this. It wasn't. That feels more aggressive. My gosh, that is noticeably quicker. So much so much so, I have lost the ability to speak. Oh, sweet launch. 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds. What's the quarter mile going to be? Come on, can you do 12 seconds? Me, literally me sideways, backwards, up and down. Oh. Tracks are struggling there. Oh, I'm going off. Oh, this one. Oh, God. Christ. That's enough. Woo. Woo. Oh, got to still really quick. Whoa, this is bad. Come on. Whoop. Changing gear there. Bit of a pause, bit of a delay. Come on, 50 kilometers an hour. That took 11.36 seconds. So, Marcel, is that good for a truck?
Yes, of course.
3, 2, 1, floor it. That's my launch face.
Launch face.
Come on, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? 4.7 seconds. My arse. 4.16 seconds. Oh, listen to that engine sing. Or should that be scream? Go. Whoa! My God, that's fast! Wow, that is really, really fast. I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. Let me know some other cars that I haven't launched that you'd like to see me launch in the comments below. Click on those windows there to watch some more videos and click on that box there for a very special surprise.